Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the 6th part of 7th chapter. Can you see the pattern of class 5 subject mathematics? And I am Jai Prakash. Let's start the class. Now come to today's topic. So I have taken two topics for today's class. So first is smart adding and the second is fun with odd numbers. If you don't know about odd numbers and other kinds of numbers, so there is a video that I have made, so you can go there, watch it properly. The link will be given in the description. Must watch it first. Now come to topic 1, smart adding. So which type of smart adding we have? Let's see. Here a boy and a girl are talking to each other. The girl is saying that what if someone gives you to add 10 numbers together? So the boy says, oh, I can find it quickly. Then the girl saying, smart. How can you do that? Then the boy is saying that I can get the sum without adding. So here we are talking about another trick. So here is we have a trick, you can see. So let's see what is the trick. So first row, come to the first row. Here is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 55. Now after 10, here is 11. Okay, so next row started from 11 to 20. So 11, 12, then here we can write 13, then 14, then 15, then 16, then 17, then 18, then 19, and at last 20. So it's a group of 10 numbers. In first row we have group of 10 numbers, and in second row also we have group of 10 numbers, and the sum is 155. Okay, so here you can get a conclusion that what is the difference between 155 and 55. So no doubt the difference is 100. Okay, it means we can say that the sum has always the difference of 100. Okay, if you are adding another row, so its sum will be, I think, 255, because the difference between the sum is 100. So let's come to the next row, 21. So 21 plus 22, then let's fill these boxes, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, then 28, 29, and last 20. So its sum will be 255. Then next 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and at last 40, and its sum will be 355. Similarly, the sum of the numbers from 41 to 50, it will be 455. Then the sum of from the numbers 51 to 60 will be 555. Similarly, the sum from the number 61 to 70 means 62, 63, 64, 65, and till 70, it will be 655. How can we say? Because you can see here the difference between the sum is always 100. Remember it. Okay, this is the difference. So in this way we can make it. Now here is a question. Did you notice some pattern in the answer? Yes, we found that answer, means we found the answer, and also we got the trick. We can see that it has the difference of 100. Now next topic, fun with odd numbers. So as I have told you that I have made a video based on odd numbers, even numbers, natural numbers, prime numbers, co-prime numbers, okay, composite numbers. Okay, so the link is in the description. You can go there and watch it. Okay, then you can understand what are odd numbers and others. So here we have a group of numbers. So let's see which type of group it is. So the question is, take the first two odd numbers. So what are the smallest odd number? 1. Okay, then 3. Nice. So 1 plus 3 is here. Now add them. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, let me cross it. See what you get. We got 4. Now at every step add the next odd numbers. Then here on the right side it has 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 2 to 4. You can see n multiplied by n. You can write it n multiplied by n. Here n is 2, so another n is 2. So n by n is here. In the next step we have 1, okay, and 3. So these are the two odd numbers, and another next odd number is 5. So 1, 3 and 5. So its sum is 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, means 9. And on the right side we have 3 multiplied by 3, means n multiplied by n. Okay, here what is the value of n here? Yes, 3. The value of n is 3 here. Next, in the next step, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. So the total sum is 16. Okay, and 16 is the product of 4 by 4. So it is also n by n. Here the value of n is 4. Now in the next step we have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus another odd number, that is 9. Okay, we are adding the odd numbers. So what is the sum? Let's add it. So 1 plus 3, it is 4, plus 5 9, plus 7 16, plus 9 25. So here is the sum is 25, and we can write 5 by 5. How can we write? Because in the first step we have 2 by 2. Okay, in the second step we have 3 by 3, in next 4 by 4. So here we will write 5 by 5, and in the next step I think we will get 6 by 6. Okay, so let's find it. So 1 plus 3, it is 4, and plus 5, it is 9, plus 7 16, plus 9 25, plus 11 36. So here we will write 36, and it will be divided by 6 by 6. Okay, we can write, means in the form of n by n we are writing the all numbers. Now in the next we have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. So the sum is here. So what is the sum and what is its, means you have to complete this row. Okay, it is for your homework. Okay, that you will find its sum and what is the number in the form of n by n, you have to write there. So this is just for your homework. If you solve this, so must write its answer in the comment box. I will definitely check it. So that's all for today's class. See you all in the next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.